Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Chanthai. In this video, we are going to see whether Nifty is going to be in positive tomorrow or whether it will break down again with the US Federation coming up with a 2-day meeting, and today being the second day, the results are expected by midnight. Will that affect our Indian market, and what are the other global markets doing? And International Monetary Fund has released a new update regarding the Indian economic growth. Let's check all that, and I have about 13 stocks that are looking bullish for me, but all those stocks can be traded only if Nifty is trading in positive tomorrow. So without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, this is Nifty daily chart, but before analyzing Nifty, let's check out the US Fed meetings outcome. US Fed has meeting for about 2 days, and that is on January 25 and 26, and the 25th meeting has been got over, and the outcome was not so good. They are in plan to increase the interest rates 4 times this year. That is before December. They are planning to increase it 4 times from starting from March. So this is the first increase since 2018 for them, and this is not a good sign for the stock markets, both in US and other countries. So we have to wait for their final decisions, and they have told that 4 times they are going to increase. If it is being done, this is not good for the market. We may again see falls in all of the markets. But ahead of this meeting, yesterday all the European markets were in positive trend, and it also closed very strongly. You can see here how the European market index has been performing. It closed around 140 euros, 179 euros, and 382 euros, which is around 2 to 2.5% in all the three main indexes. So we have to wait till today's end for this European markets as well as US market. So we have to rely on US market tomorrow, how the market people are taking the federation's decision. So let's wait till midnight and check it out. So the second news is International Monetary Fund. They have cut down our increase in economic growth by 0.5 percentage. It was estimated to be around 9.5 percentage by the Reserve Bank of India for this financial year, but they have mentioned it as 9.1 to 9.2 by IMF. So for the next year, they are projecting it at around 7.1, which is 1.9 percentage lesser than what they have given us today. But still, China is below us. They are around 5.8 percentage only, and there are many other countries below us. So this is not so a good news or not so a bad news, but still we have to accept this, that we are growing in a slower phase due to this Corona, Omicron, and other business activities which got affected due to Corona. So let's now come to Nifty. Nifty was forming a strong candle in daily time frame on Tuesday, but still there are global cues and US Fed meetings going on. We have to wait for them to close. So if all the global cues are in green, we may see a good green candle tomorrow. So in this type of volatility driven market, please be calm and plan your trades way ahead. Don't take any emotional decisions. And to talk about the technicals, the 16,900 range was taking a good support yesterday, but this range has not been tested before, so we have to wait and watch whether this is a reversal or this is just a small one-day correction or like short covering, anything like that. So we have to wait for the global cues to end. Let's wait till midnight to know. Nifty Bank was also forming a good strong candle, but it is in exactly in the support zone, and almost most of the banks has given good quarterly results. So we can expect Bank Nifty to be good, but still if Nifty is falling much, Bank Nifty can't do anything. The fall can be less, but we cannot avoid that. So Bank Nifty has to break this 38,375 range, and if it is breaking very strongly, we can expect a good run in the bank. So there are about 13 stocks that are looking bullish for me. I'll explain it one by one, but still we have to wait for how Nifty is performing today. If Nifty is in red, please don't take trade in any of these stocks, and please make sure you're analyzing all the 13 stocks before you're investing. So the first stock is McDowell's. So this is the pattern I found in McDowell's. This is exactly taking a support in the bottom trend line, and it may have a good candles or 2-3 days, and then it can break out, or if the global cues are not good, it may again break down. The next stock is Cipla. Cipla has been discussed on Monday's video also. It was taking a good support in the trend line, and with the Omicron cases rising, we can expect pharma stocks to do well. So this is one stock. The next stock is Asian Paints. Asian Paints has formed a hammer pattern exactly on support zone, so we can expect it to reverse from here, but still this is a heavyweight stock. We have to wait how the trend is working for tomorrow. And the next stock is Infibeam. Infibeam, if you check, it is forming something like a new pattern it has been taking. So but yesterday's candle was like a bullish engulfing pattern, so I think it may look good in the short term, but still the volume is not so good, so we have to wait and watch how it is going to perform. I'm going to trade this only if it is going to break this trend line strongly. So the next stock is UPL. I have just posted shorts in YouTube and reels in Instagram regarding this. I think this is something like a deep retest, and it has been forming a good engulfing pattern. The volume is not so good, but better than the previous days, so we can expect the market to do well for UPL. But we have to wait for the trend again, how it Nifty is performing. So the next stock is Cummins India. This is also forming a bullish engulfing pattern, and the bullish engulfing pattern was formed near a support zone, so we can expect the market to do well for this. So the next stock is Zomato. Zomato has been falling drastically in this bear market, and if you check, it has made an all-time low of about 84.15, which is very bad, but still it has recovered on Tuesday from 84 to 100. It has gained about 16 points intraday, so this is also looking good for me. If you catch it anything like 101 or 102, we can see some profits in the short term. So the next stock is Axis Bank. Axis Bank has been given a beautiful result, so they have blasted like anything on Tuesday, and if you check, there is a volume burst also, and there is a good green candle, so we can expect Axis Bank to be bullish, and if it reaches anything around this trend line, we are good to go. So the next stock is Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank has also produced good results, and if you check, Bandhan Bank is in breakout zone. It has not breaked out yet, but still it is in breakout zone. So tomorrow, if we have a good day and if it is breaking down, we can expect a retest, and then we can have an entry here. So the next stock is Indian Oil Corporation. If you check, Indian Oil Corporation has been exactly forming a green candle on the support zone. So this is the support zone I have drawn, and it has exactly formed a green candle on the support zone after touching that zone. So for me, this is looking good, but still the volume is not so good and lesser than the previous days. If there is any confirmation like a huge green candle with good volumes, we may enter the stock. The next stock is Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank has also formed a bullish engulfing pattern near the bottom trend line, so I'm good to go in this stock, but still I'll wait for tomorrow to close. How it is closing depends on whether I'm entering this stock or not. So the next stock is Bharat Electronics. This has been in a rising wedge pattern, and then it took into a channel pattern the sideways, and it exactly formed a green candle on the trend line, and the volume is also looking somewhat good, better than the previous days, so I'm expecting it to reach this trend line, and if it is breaking above that, I'll wait for a retest to go. So the next and last stock is Adani Ports. Adani Ports was also forming a green candle on the bottom trend line, but the volume is not so good, and it is lesser than the previous days. So another good green candle with good volume can be a confirmation. So for all these 13 stocks, please do your own analysis before investing, and please wait for one day tomorrow for it to close, because if there is a red day tomorrow we can expect the market to fall more. So please do wait till tomorrow afternoon or tomorrow's close, and then you can have an entry in any stocks. Let's hope for the best. That's it for the video, guys. Make sure you are liking this video, sharing it with your friends, and please do subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon and select all for instant notification for all the videos. And please do make sure you are joining our Telegram channel and our Instagram page. Thank you.